Ninjas, my name is Sensei Carl, so welcome back to another Ninja vlog. We are here at PPIR yet again. No, this is not Grid Life, this is Slush Meet, and we're here with the Evo next to another Evo next to an STI with like probably another 1,000 STIs over here. I mean, it is Colorado, so STI boys coming out strong. But you guys, we are here to do our first official track day with the Evo. I'm super pumped, 7:30 a.m. So stick around, it's gonna be a good day. You guys, so that was the first session down. I was the fourth one in line, and I got to hang out with this guy over here. He has a GTR, like he said, he's only put like 2,000 miles on it. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the car cool down a little bit. After I let the car cool down a little bit more, we're gonna go out, we're gonna go do another session. You guys, I'm having a blast. I hope you're enjoying this video. It's a little bit loud, and there's a BMW with some pops and bangs with the burble tune. Oh, check out this Lotus. Just for a bit of context, this straightaway right here, 100 plus, easy. This is the GTR that I was behind. Yo, what's up you guys? The wifey finally showed up. I'm done racing. We're just kind of walking around. We're watching drag racing. We met a few people, DDE. The wife finally got to meet DDE. Yep. We talked to my buddy Joey at Fast Inc. What else we do? We talked to a couple other guys. We talked to Austin. He was the guy in the GTR behind me at the beginning of the day doing hot laps. And what else?
I don't know.
I think that's it.
We got some shirts.
Yeah, we did. We got plenty of shirts. We're gonna keep walking around and get some more merch. Yep. And then I think that's it for right now, you guys. So we'll check in here in a little bit, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Yep. Hit the camera. I've been dying to meet you, man. It's been a long time. Welcome. How was the trip? Oh. Vegas go good? Good to see you guys. Welcome. Thanks for coming. Look at him. We got one there and we got the other one over there. And then we got the SVJ sitting right here. You for real? Yeah. Alright.
We're only going 10 feet.
I know, that's why I said. Man.
Leave the doors open when you're backing up.
I'm gonna.
Dude, it's a pleasure. Thank you.
My pleasure.
You guys, I'm with Damon from DDE. Like, whoever would have thought.
What's up, guys?
Man, what an honor. What an honor. It's not loud or anything. Thank you, man. That was a pleasure. Thank you so much. Hi, baby. So what's up? Anything you want to tell the vlog?
No.
She's a woman of very little words.
Yeah.
How come you didn't come watch me race this morning?
I was too tired. I support you from afar in my bed.
That's a good way to put it. I think we're gonna close up the video out right here, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.
Bye.